Andy.
Nana!
Yes.
How's
that?
Hey, good, do it again.
Mommy could me eat baby Scarlet.
Did she?
Yeah.
You ready? You ready, Andy? Here goes. Big kicks.
Go.
Big kicks. Big kicks.
Hello, little man.
Can you do one of these? Nana got you. Nana got you.
Nana!
I made him. I'm going to choke him.
Charlotte without a bubble. Good swimming.
Can I have a look?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Here comes. Here comes Andy.
I have a look.
Just wait. Just wait, cheeky. You have to sit next to me so you can see.
I am.
See, look.
Let me hold it.
No.
I'm not talking.
No, it's because I'm still videoing. Can you see I'm still videoing? See?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can I still video, Nana?
Here comes
Nana? Nana? Nana, do you want to get your hair wet?
Yeah, all right. No, but not really.
Nana, you can go like my hair's
He's ready
wet.
to get out now. Now you have to swim to Nana. Face in. Face in.
Mom, because I haven't got my goggles.
Oh, well, go put your goggles on.
I don't want to.
Yeah, so Mummy can take you videoing.
Don't you want to be on the video?
Come on. Put your goggles on for a minute and show Nana.
No, I can go on my
Okay. Face in.
I don't know.
We got it.
Nana, get your goggles.